In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to ping someone on Basecamp. Pings in Basecamp are basically your private, one-on-one, or small group chats. They're perfect for quick questions, clarifications, or side conversations that don't really need to live on a project message board. Think of them as your direct messages inside Basecamp, separate from all the busy project discussions. Let's walk through exactly how to send a ping, step by step, so you can start using them confidently. First, make sure you're logged into your Basecamp account and looking at the main dashboard. At the top of the screen, you'll see a navigation bar with several options. Look for the tab labeled Pings. Go ahead and click on that. This opens the Pings area, where you'll see your existing conversations, if you have any, and where you'll start new ones. If you use Basecamp a lot, this is where many of your quick back-and-forth conversations will live. Next, we'll choose who you want to ping. In the Pings area, you'll find a field where you can start a new ping. Click into that field and begin typing the name of the person you want to message. As you type, Basecamp will automatically suggest people who match what you've entered. This is really helpful if your team is large or if you're not sure of the exact spelling of someone's name. When you see the correct person appear in the suggestions, simply click on their name. That tells Basecamp you want to start a private chat with that specific person. Once you've selected your contact, you're ready to start chatting. You'll see a button that says something like, Ping 'em. Click that button to open the chat box. A message area will appear where you can type your note. Go ahead and write your message just like you would in any chat app. Keep it clear and to the point, especially if you're asking for something or need a quick response. When you're happy with what you've written, press enter or click the send option to send your ping. Your message is now delivered as a private conversation, visible only to you and the person you've pinged. You can keep replying in the same thread, and Basecamp will group everything together so it's easy to follow. That's all there is to it. Open pings, select your contact, click ping 'em, and start chatting.